Hello everyone. Welcome to Rennie's Organized Vibe. Today we're diving into a powerful organization strategy as part of decluttering and simplify our lives, the box storage system. If you're looking to maximize space and simplify your life, this video is for you. But just right after this. The box storage system is a brilliant way to categorize and store your items efficiently. By grouping things based on their frequency of use and purpose, you can easily find what you need when you need it. Imagine having everything neatly packed and labeled. No more searching through clutter. This is also an efficient time management tool, because your time is not wasted on looking for something from a pile of assorted belongings. So, how do you get started with the box storage system? First, you need to assess your space and the items you owned. Start by creating categories like daily use, weekly use, monthly use, and occasional use. This will help you decide which items should go into which boxes. But the items on the daily use and weekly use must be handy and easy to access all the times. Or you can place it inside the drawers in the kitchen cabinet or drawers in the closet. Next, choose the right boxes. It's important to select boxes that are the right materials and right sizes for your items. Consider using sustainable options like woven baskets, clear plastic bins, or sturdy cardboard boxes. The key is to ensure that they're durable and fit well in your designated storage space. Now it's time to organize and label. Segregate your items, same category goes together. Place your items into the boxes based on the categories you created earlier. Make sure to label each box clearly, using color codes, tags, or even digital inventory tools to keep track on what's inside. Once everything is packed and labeled, it's crucial to place your boxes strategically. Store them based on how often you use the items. The daily and weekly labeled boxes is only for sorting purposes. These items should be placed that is easily accessible. It can be put inside the table or counter drawers in your kitchen, or at the bedroom closet. While occasional use items can be stored at higher portion of shelves, out of immediate reach. The box storage system offers incredible benefits. It reduces clutter, boosts efficiency, and ensures you always know where everything is. And so much time saving when looking for something. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your home or workspace is perfectly organized. However, there are some common mistakes to avoid. Don't overstuff your boxes. Leave some room for new items. Failing to label properly can lead to confusion, so take the time to make your labels clear. And remember to regularly update your system as your needs change. To keep your box storage system working well over time, it's important to maintain it regularly. Set aside time every few months to reassess and update your boxes. This way, your space will always stay organized, and you'll avoid the dreaded clutter creep. The box storage system is a game changer for anyone who is looking to simplify his or her space. With the right approach, you can make this system work for any area in your home or office. Now let us do the recap. Step 1. Assess your space and items. Step 2. Choose the right boxes. Step 3. Organize and label. Step 4. Storage placement. As you can see, it is a very simple process of making our space cluttered-free. I hope you find this guide very helpful. If you're ready to get started, I'd love to hear how the box storage system works for you. Share your experiences and write in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more organization tips and tricks from Rennie's Organized Vibe.